So I said I lost my drone flying yesterday. I flown above this canyon. I did a number of videos up and down, left, right. You know, it was a really good experience, especially after months of not using the drone. I mentioned in different recording that I lost the drone in the mountains. I recovered it. I was excited that it works again, and I flown the drone here, and I decided at the last part of my recording, I decided that I want to record that wall that I don't know if you can see it on the camera. It's maybe 40-meter rock wall where some climbers use some anchors and ropes to get down to the bottom. I lost it. I crashed it. I was not really upset. I thought, okay, I'll try to recover. I went around. The water was too deep yesterday. I could not get here. I thought I can get around the area, but there is a water that it goes all the way to the wall, and I went in the water all the way to my waist, and it was getting deeper, and I thought I don't want to get moved by the current. The thing is, today the water, it's much lower. And I went home last night. I got a small inflatable raft and a fishing rod with some weights like balls, and I thought I had a plan. I thought I'm going to try first with a fishing rod with a hook. I will grab it, trying from here, trying from there, trying from somewhere where I could kind of hook it up. I've done all sorts of other things, and I was confident I might be able to grab it. But the thing is, I thought if the camera broke away from the drone itself, it was not tied properly, it was just with some shock absorbers, I thought, okay, I might have to use my raft. And I drove up the river. I scouted the area, but it's all wall, so the road goes high up, and I look, and it's just walls. You can't really hike down. I thought I can take the raft, inflatable water raft, and hike down somewhere, but it's all canyon. It's like water rapids like that. And I thought, okay, maybe when I was a younger teenager, probably with friends, I've done such things. But now I'm a bit afraid of things like that. If I have a friend, yes, I would go, but not by myself. And I decided to come back here to try with a fishing rod, or go in the water with a raft, and just use the raft as a floating device and go around. Even the water would be a little bit deeper, but I will make it. So I saw water way lower today. So I'm quite sure I can make it today. But when I look down, where is my drone? Okay, and I thought, wow, someone recovered my drone. And what I did, I was not upset. I thought, okay, someone was here just before me. It's like now it's like 3 o'clock or something, and someone probably got here in the morning. And very interesting. It's kind of a coincidence for a person to be a good rock climber or do something courageous and look here, see the drone, let's go grab it. And of course I made some notes here in case that person comes back and is willing to recover the drone. I mentioned that it's registered with Transport Canada, and yeah, if that person comes back here, is willing to return it to me, I wrote that I'm willing to pay a recovery fee. I'm not going to pay $400 or something.